Welcome. Let's look at this question number 11 for JAMB Past Question Biology 2018. Which of the following animals is cold-blooded? A. Cat, B. Lizard, C. Whale, D. Bird. Now, we said that cold-blooded animals or poikilothermic animals are those animals whose temperature varies according to the temperature of the environment, and we say that mostly the reptiles and amphibians are the cold-blooded animals. So as a matter of writing, we can say that cold-blooded animals, or another word for cold-blooded animal is poikilothermic animals. Poikilothermic animals are those animals whose temperature varies according to the temperature of the surrounding. So that's what we call cold-blooded animals. Animals with temperatures varying according to the temperatures of the surrounding. So the major examples of these are things like Major examples of cold-blooded animals are things like lizards, snakes, crocodiles. So all these reptiles, they are cold-blooded animals, the reptiles. Then we'll also talk about animals like frogs, toads, toads and frogs. And these animals are known as amphibians. The amphibians are also cold-blooded animals. So with the examples given of cold-blooded animal, you can easily pick out that the right option is B, which is lizard. Examples of cold-blooded animal. Thank you.